Hello, good morning everyone. This is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we will discuss one important biomolecule that is also known as unit of inheritance. And what is it student? It is nucleic acid. This nucleic acid concept was the first given by a great scientist Friedrich Messer in 1871. Friedrich Messer found the nucleic acid in the nuclei of pus cell. Means in the pus cell he discovered the nucleic acid and he gave it name nuclein. Nuclein name was given to it by the Friedrich Messer in 1871. After that there is another scientist that is known as Altman. Altman gave it name to the nucleic acid in 1889 student. After that there is the research was done and what is found in this student that the nucleic acid are the polymers of the nucleotides. Nucleotides means it is the polymer. Polymer means it is the long chain of nucleotides and nucleotides is known as monomer student. And in the nucleotides student there are the three basic units are found and these basic units are sugar molecules, nitrogenous base and phosphoric acid. Now these nucleotides have mainly student these elements means the carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and phosphorus. And in this student sugar molecules means nucleotides have the sugar molecules and its sugar molecules have the two types of sugar, ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar. In the ribose sugar there is the formula, molecular formula of this is C5H10O5 and deoxyribose molecule, sugar molecule formula is student C5H10O4 and the chemical structure of this is means it contains the 5 carbons 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and these 5 carbons are arranged in pentagon. In pentagon they are arranged and in this student there are 5 molecules of oxygen in the ribose, but in the deoxyribose there are the 4 molecules of oxygens are found in deoxyribose student. Next is nitrogenous base means the nucleic acid contains the 2 types of the nitrogenous base student, purine and pyrimidine. Purine student, purine contains the 9-membered bicyclic bases and they are known as adenine and guanine. And pyrimidine contains 3 types, cytosine, thymine and uracil. 6-membered monocyclic they contain. And there is student one phosphoric acid is also found in this nucleotide and that phosphoric acid have the same formula of phosphoric acid student as 3PO4. So these are the 3 basic structures that are found in the nucleotides and nucleotides make the nucleic acid student. So it is nucleotide. What is the nucleotide student? It is the polymer that makes the nucleic acid. Now we come on the types of the nucleic acid. There are the 2 types of nucleic acid student, DNA and RNA. DNA full form student deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA full form student ribonucleic acid and they are found inside the nuclear it is found, and with this it is found also in the prokaryotic cell, student. Yes, student, there are the two types of nucleic acid, deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. And deoxyribonucleic acid, student, it occurs mainly in nucleus of the eukaryotic cell, it is found. And this ribonucleic acid occurs mainly in the cytoplasm. With this, student, this DNA is also found in the chloroplast or the plastids. With this, it is found in mitochondria, and it has the double stranded structures, means double helical type structure it has. This type of circular helical structure it has. It has the single stranded structure like this type of structure it has. It is the polymers of the deoxyribonucleotides, means it is the long chain of the deoxyribonucleotides, students. But it is the polymers, or it is the long chain of ribonucleotides. Ribonucleotides, student. It contains deoxyribose sugar, student. As we have discussed that all the nucleic acid contains the sugar in the form of deoxyribose and ribose sugar. So what type of sugar it contains? It contains deoxyribose sugar, means DNA contains deoxyribose sugar and RNA contains ribose sugar. And what is the difference, student, in this? It contains 5 oxygen, but it contains 4 molecules of the oxygen. Its nitrogenous base are adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. But its nitrogenous base are adenine, guanine, uracil and cytosine, student. These are the nitrogenous base. With this, student, pyrimidine and the purine are found in equal amount inside the DNA, but they are not found in equal amount in RNA. Means purine and pyrimidine are not found in equal amount. Their ratio is different. DNA is hereditary in function, student. Means it works for the heredity or the transmission of the traits. But its main function, means the RNA main function, is synthesizing the protein. Means protein is synthesized by the RNA. But in the case of the virus, it also works as a hereditary function, student. Means the genetic substance move from one generation to next generation with the help of RNA, student. So in the virus, it works as a hereditary function, RNA, student. But general function that it has, means it has the protein synthesis function. So it is about the nucleic acid, student, DNA and RNA. Now you will learn it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.